Hi everyone. Today we'll see the market analysis for 7th December and how it is behaved market today. If you see market exactly opened the gap up around Bank Nifty 150 points range. So after opening a range itself, it formed a indecisive candle, doji candle. So this couldn't be get a confirmation whether we'll go for a long. So if this range broken, if any candle closed above this one candle, then we can expect some up movement. But here it exactly first candle itself shows the rejection of the higher side. So second candle get a confirmation because it closed below this range. So this is a get a confirmation to go on a short side. So this candle if we entered, so we get a target around easy yesterday's support which it has taken. So after that market around taken a long side, but exactly so this is the three lines which we have drawn yesterday, target 1 and target 2. Exactly it supported the same. So these three times it has been taken as support. So if this is acting as a very strong resistance, if this breaks above side, then we can see a target around 47,000. If low, so we'll see this on a longer time frame. So for Nifty, not in the case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened in a gap down or little gap up also, but it couldn't able to sustain. But Nifty able to sustain even if it is opened on the gap up. So market, if you see on a CPR range, so market opened in between R1 and R2. So maximum cases, if it opens in between R1 and R2, it should be in a range between this. So exactly market stayed in the same range. Once this range is broken, we have seen a gap filling place. So immediately after filling this gap, it taken a one-sided momentum and set into a range bound momentum today. Even if it is a range bound, it given an option for both selling and buying option around 90 points. Exactly here, but as yesterday's we have discussion, it didn't even touch the CPR from past 3 days. So let us see, tomorrow is an expiry for Nifty. So if you see in a bank Nifty on a longer time frame, daily time frame, so most probably we have seen a red candle after a week or 2 weeks. um, on a daily time frame, if you see, so it was formed a bearish engulfing pattern on after a doji. So it might be a kind of consolidation phase or else a reverse pattern. So we cannot expect exactly reversal in a 90 degrees pattern. So we might see the consolidation and then a filling of gaps which is formed from past 2 days. So at least Nifty filled the gap, but Bank Nifty didn't even fill the gap which it is formed on two gaps. It is still pending. When it comes to a Nifty on a daily time frame, it's moving like a forming continuously hammers, but today it looks exactly a hammer, a hanging man hammer. So let us see, tomorrow's candle will decide us to which side it will give a momentum. So if you see here, exactly hammers, continuous hammers. So we can expect a one-sided momentum tomorrow because today is a range bound, even if it is a bank nifty is an expiry. So on a longer time frame, if you see bank nifty in a 15 minutes range, let me on the CPR, so which will give a more additional points for us. So if you see a CPR, if this range breaks, then we can see a target around 47,200, and then yesterday same lines which we have drawn yesterday, so we have a chance of filling the gap of 46,000 453, and then immediately we can see a next targets around 46,100 and 200. So this is the plan for bank nifty. When it comes to a nifty on a 15 minutes range, tomorrow is a expiry. We have to be cautious because we might get a narrow CPR, so which indicates one sided momentum. So exactly this reversal is a, see, exactly this looks like a morning star if you see doji, and then so this is like a morning sun pattern. So after that we have seen a one-sided momentum. So tomorrow if you see, this will be acting as a, so this will be acting as a very strong resistance. If this breaks, we can see a next target around 21,000. 21,000 is a immediate hurdle where everything reached all-time highs of round figures like 47,000 and 21,000 change in Fin Nifty. So I'm expecting that it will touch 21,000 and then take a reversal. Um, it Let us check tomorrow CPR. If it is a narrow CPR, so even if it is opens on a gap up and touch 21,000 and then take a sharp reversal, that might be a chance of hitting filling all the gaps which it is formed. So that might be the all-time high. So fast 1 week we are seeing new all-time highs and every day after opening a gap ups and becoming a consolidation. So let us see a one-sided momentum tomorrow. Thank you everyone. So let us meet in tomorrow's analysis call. All the best for tomorrow's trade.